Hey, it's Emily from Stackable Sensations, where we create unique brand recognition. So, people say the best way to a man's heart is through their bellies, but I think that goes for everyone. Who wouldn't love to receive a kit full of fun goodies, snacks, and DIY dinners? Food kits are a great way to show your appreciation, take the stress off dinner nights, and have some family fun. We have tons of food kits in our office, and we are so excited to share with you some of our favorites. Now, it's finally springtime, which means warmer weather, and who doesn't love ice cream to enjoy it? This kit is filled with everything you need to enjoy. A nice scoop of ice comes with sprinkles and waffle cones and so much more. One of my favorite aspects that I think makes this box super unique is the song that it plays when you open it. You can see all the nice goodies and hear everyone's favorite song. Sending a food kit also can help take away the stress of dinners after work. This pizza kit has everything you could possibly need to make a delicious pizza. On the inside, it shows you everything that you have, and including the marinara sauce, the pizza dough, the red pepper flakes, oregano, and even has the directions on this adorable little card. This kit is definitely sure to make someone smile. Cinco de Mayo is coming up, and we even have a food kit to help you celebrate. When you open it up, it comes with an avocado cutter, a cute little piñata, some drink mixes, and some taco seasonings. It has everything you need to help celebrate a nice Taco Tuesday. Another great dinner kit is this Taste of Italy kit. It comes with pasta sauce, a nice slotted spoon, and the pasta. This kit is great because it also comes with a keepsake, so they'll have that slotted spoon for years and years. It's also the season for s'mores, and I'm very excited. It literally has everything you need for a s'more, including a flame to help burn your marshmallow. You can see the adorable decoration on the inside and everything you have laid out for you. Show recipients that they're a batch made in heaven. This adorable cookie kit has so many different toppings and shows that life is short and to eat more cookies. It comes with an adorable apron and sugar cookie mix and sprinkles and icing and M&Ms. Oh my goodness, I am hungry just looking at this. Now, if you love sushi just as much as me, this kit is pretty exciting. Show clients and employees that they're on a roll with a sushi making kit. This kit has almost everything you need to make your sushi. Comes with miso and rice and seaweed and a bamboo rolling mat. And so you can bring your creation to lunch the next day, it also comes with a bento box. This is super fun to do and a great way to bond with family, friends, and significant others. This adorable sugar cookie kit is great for some family fun. Have everybody make their own sugar cookie creation and enjoy all of the delicious toppings. Now, who doesn't love a movie night or binge watching a TV show? This kit has everything you need to enjoy it. Also, check out the outside of this box. Ooh, it has tons of snacks for you to enjoy, like chips, sunflower seeds, a little something sweet, and blue light blocking glasses, so when you are watching the shows, your eyes won't hurt. This TV kit is super unique, and the box itself is sure to wow recipients. We hope you found this video helpful and your stomach isn't growling a little too loudly. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to follow us on social media. Contact Stackable today so we can help you build your brand awareness with different types of promotional products that are definitely unique and will catch the eyes of recipients. We'll see you next time.